What's up, guys? This is Caleb from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2016 Yamaha FJR 1300. Guys, this bike is gorgeous. Absolutely love these bikes. It's got killer tread on the tires. It's got like no miles. It's got right around 1300. These bags do have a couple scuffs, but it's on a clear bra actually. So the guy put a clear bra on the top of the bag just because a lot of people kick them, and on the side of the bags. And so that's where if you see any of the scuffs, let's see if I can get in the light. You're gonna get it. It's on the clear bra. It's not a big deal. I want to find one flaw with this bike, but it isn't just immaculate. I mean, it's in phenomenal condition for what it is. I mean, even riding at 1,300 miles, we got a tender. I believe the dealership put that on there that we got it from just to keep the batteries nice over the winter time. Okay, so we do have a stone chip right there. Yeah, so that is a stone chip on the plastic right there. Very common. I mean, obviously, oh wait. Oh, it's got a clear bra down there too. So actually it's just a nick in the clear bra. Once you take that off, it'll be completely gone. He's got clear bra around the whole bottom here. And then he's got clear bra around the whole front fender as well. So that nick on the clear bra from a rock, which is very common just for normal, is actually just in the clear bra. So once you yank the clear bra off of this, which I don't know if I would, but once you yank the clear bra off of this, it's gonna basically be flawless. So the clear bra is all down the side on this as well. Front tire obviously is in insanely good condition. This little nick here is all on clear bra. This thing's in just killer shape. Top of the tank, amazing shape. It's got clear bra here, so you don't get your keys or anything scratched, or your belt scratched up against there. Let's file through this real quick. Heated grips, whole 9 yards. Let's see, what's the mileage on this beast? Hardness of the suspension, you can toggle through all that. So as you can see, you can like raise the windshield, hardness of the suspension, heated grips. I actually want to just cycle it through touring and sport mode. I want to cycle it through, see the miles here. Let's see here. There we go. 10-mile range. It's got 1,977 miles completely total. Guys, this bike's in insanely good shape. Here, fire it up. I don't know if you guys have ridden this bike, but this bike's an absolute monster. Insanely fun to ride. Guys, this bike's not gonna last long. It is the ES version. Like I said, guys, this bike will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Have a good one.